Hello. Have you ever wanted to have? I know I have. With all the having I have, I want half as much as I have had in the past. It's not enough just to want to have, you have to have it. With all the want in the world, I hope to have havers having all they want someday. If you're the kind of person that wants to have more, then what I have for you is my book entitled Have Wanters Haven't Had Enough and How to Have More. My amazing step-by-step guide to having will have you wanting less in no time, guaranteed. And a comprehensive haver's guide to have wanting, which you'll just want to have at your side at all times. You can have it today on Havazon.com, as well as where all fine havers are sold. End wanting today and have all the having you ever wanted. I hope you have a good day, and I want to thank you for wanting to listen to my pitch about wanting and having. If you have to comment, please remember to tell us what you want in life. Have a good one.